going on, guys? Antrod here, and welcome to Sound Effects Session Part 4! Today we have our usual 11 sounds, and, well, I have some sad news. I woke up this morning with a sore throat all in here. Like, I was hoping, because I had just had breakfast today too, that like I was hoping after 2 cups of coffee and some Dayquil I would be okay, but apparently not, you know, because the pain just came back. It hurts. But luckily, I had the secret weapon for that. Tea. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's okay.
No, that's no problem. Tea deserves a big, huge, awesome red screen reverb. Both awesome and gross. Coffee tastes like chocolate milk. That stuff tastes like, I don't know what it tastes like, but the next agreement, huh? I know. We have our 11 sounds, but they're gonna be a little difficult for me to do, so bear with me. I am still making a sound effects session for I'm still doing this video for you because I am not giving up on you guys. Understand? Cool. Let's go ahead and get started. We have 11 sounds, pretty cool names and pretty cool sounds. Though the first sound we have, yeah. That's a song, and the first sound we have today is a microwave by a person named Jen. So here we go. Hold on. T-power. Let's do it. Microwave. The next we have by Rosemary Pinto is a car window going down. Ready? There we go. Next sound we have by Sorry, Lissa? Hope I pronounced your name right. Is a Charmander by Pokemon. Charmander! Next sound we have by,
Is it Anthony Angle?
Yeah, it's Anthony Angle. Anthony Angle, every time I ask him to do a sound effect, it's always been something crazy. So here we go again with another really crazy sound. It's a fire extinguisher by Anthony Angle. Fire extinguisher. Next sound we have by a man named Mr. Scott. It's a mouthful of food. The next sound we have by Brandbar28 is chopping wood. Chopping wood. Next sound we have by Idolmeister is a lawnmower, like a turning on lawnmower.
T-power.
Here we go. The next sound we have by a guy named Devin is a sailboat. Now here's the thing, Devin. You picked this sound so I can actually sit in this video and just be silent the whole time?
Well, that didn't work.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I actually figured out what a sailboat sounds like. Ready? There you go! Wood creaking! If you're inside the sailboat for doing this, it creaks from the pressure of the water. Ha! I did it! Next song we have by No Name, didn't want their name said, is the Jimmy Neutron theme song. And a blast! The sound that we have for today, asked by Coach Sterling, is Tigger from Winnie the Pooh. Oh, I'm gonna need tea for this. T-power. D-I-double-G-R, that spells Tigger! The next one we have, and sadly enough, the last one we have, and thank God, because my throat really hurts, by someone who's actually requested before, and they wanted their name said in this video. I'm very happy. Joanna the Boss is a cast of a reel, like a fishing reel. So here we go. Ready? That's the best that I could do! I hope that's good enough. Okay, that's it. That's all we have for today. That's all the 11 sounds that we have. Pretty good set. I liked it today. Deep voice, take it away.
Okay, so, like, share, subscribe, go below to check out all my social media sites, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do you have anything else to say?
Nope, I'm good. You said it all. Thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to Sound Effects Session Part 5.